Understanding fluff a line in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore a commonly used phrase in the acting world that has found its way into everyday English: fluff a line. If you're ready to learn what it means and how to use it, keep watching. When someone says they fluffed a line, they're telling you that they made a mistake while speaking. Originally from the theater, where actors must remember and recite lines of dialogue, fluffing means they got the words mixed up, forgot them, or otherwise didn't say them correctly. The term fluff has been part of the English lexicon for a while, often meaning something light or frivolous. In the context of fluff a line, it implies that the speaker treated their lines lightly or without care, leading to a mistake. This expression is a gentle way of acknowledging a spoken error. 1. During a speech, I was nervous and fluffed a line in my presentation. 2. Learning a new language. I'm still learning Italian, so I sometimes fluff my lines when I try to speak it. 3. Casual conversation. Sorry, I just fluffed my lines. What I meant to say was. If you fluff a line, don't worry. Here are a few steps to recover. Pause and breathe. Apologize quickly if it's a formal situation. Repeat the correct line or phrase. Move on and don't dwell on the mistake. That's a wrap on fluff a line. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when speaking, and it's perfectly okay. We hope this video has been informative and helps you become more comfortable with everyday English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.